The 180-degree rule is one that we're going to go into in more detail in further classes, but in video 1A, just think of it as this. Whenever you have two people on the screen, this person is person A and this one is B, we're going to alternate back and forth between two over-the-shoulder shots, but notice we're always going to keep the people on the same side of the screen. B will be on the right in both of these shots, and A will be on the left in both of these shots. It just makes it easier for the audience to see it. So when we're looking over A's shoulder to see B, then we're looking over B's shoulder to see A. How do you do that? Well, here's why it's called the 180-degree rule. Here we are back at the scene map, and remember this is the top-down view, so we're looking down at A and down at B. If we draw a line going through them, then don't cross that line with the camera. Put one camera here looking over B's shoulder, and that camera will see A on the right. You can see how that's going to work. Then swing that camera around for your other shots, looking over A's shoulder from this side, and in this one, once again, they will be on the same side of the screen. 180 degrees, just don't cross this line going down the middle. So whenever you're shooting some person or two people, the 180-degree rule says stay on one side of a circle around them with the camera. Don't go moving the camera over the line. You'll also hear this rule is called crossing the line. Don't cross the line in your storyboards, just keep them both on the same side of the screen.